Good morning, everybody. Here is week 2 check-in on the kitchen scrap garden, the kitchen window edition. This is our celery. Look how much it's grown. It actually looks like celery. It's very exciting. Still no roots, so it's not going to be put in dirt right now. It's still something called hydroponic celery, which means it's grown only in water. This is that lettuce. A chunk of lettuce. It has a lot of new leaves. I can tell you I thought that it would only grow leaves in the very center, and it seems to be growing leaves out of every little spot. Nice and dark green. Here are the scallions or green onions. They grew so much that it was time for them to go into some soil. And this is a new bottom part of some romaine lettuce. It's getting a fancy treatment by sitting in this lovely blue glass. And we're going to see if we can have the same success with this bit of lettuce as we had with the first one. So it's kind of like day 1 with this lettuce, and we can compare it over here to week 2. Sort of like a control group, isn't it? It is. And that, oh, hello sheep and little birdhouse. And there we go. And that is week 2 update on the kitchen scrap garden. We'll check back next time. See you later.